Open house February 26 from 12 to 1 p.m. Here it is. An affordable townhome in North Bismarck. This townhome is a end unit and has a patio with a semi-private fence. Not all units have this. The main floor has a great layout and large kitchen area. The kitchen also has an eat-at counter. A half bathroom can be found off of the garage entry to the kitchen. The laundry is also on the main floor. Don't miss the extra storage room found next to the kitchen. This home provides the comfort of a primary master suite with a walk-in closet and 3/4 bathroom. An additional 2 bedrooms are found upstairs also with a full bathroom. The loft area is a great space for an office or an extra TV room. The double-car garage has built-in shelving. $100 per month association fee covers lawn care, snow removal, lawn sprinkling, exterior building insurance.